Hello everyone, welcome back to my HTML series. Let's kick things off by understanding HTML elements. In HTML, everything is an element, and elements are the building blocks of a web page. From headings and paragraphs to images and links, they all fall under the umbrella of an HTML element. The opening and closing tags that you see over here on the screen, this is the opening tag and this is the closing tag. So the HTML elements, they are often wrapped in opening and closing tags, creating a container for the content in itself. For example, a head tag opens like this, closes like this. Or a body tag opens like this and closes like this. When you see this on the screen, this is also an element in itself. These type of tags are called as closing tags. Closing tags are especially handy when dealing with void elements like images or line breaks. An example is illustrated here. This is an image tag, and here if you see, there is no tag, there is nothing like this, right? There is nothing like this. This is written as something like this. This is a self-closing tag. Now coming to the attributes, if you see here, an image tag has a couple of attributes, which is like very common. This is the source and this is the alt. So these are the attributes in a tag. This typically we'll study in detail when we study the HTML image tag, but here this typically says where is the source of the image that I want to display on my web page, and the alt here states what happens, what text actually gets displayed when this image is not available at the source that I have provided.